What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today it is May 19th. It is Saturday. So I am all ready and I'm going to head out and do a couple of errands. I want to go to the grocery store and grab a few things and maybe get coffee or something, maybe something to eat for lunch. So let's go ahead and get into the car and we're going to go to the grocery store. Can't forget the bags. I'm gonna go to a different grocery store than I usually do. I usually go to the one like right by my house, but I felt like, I don't know, going somewhere farther away just because I want to get out of the house because I've been chilling here for the past 2 days. So my parents are out of town, so it's just Michael and I, so I really want to make like actual dinner today because we've just been eating like leftovers and nothing too exciting. I'm going to make a actual dinner today, so I have to go pick up a couple of things for that and we will go get them. So I just got out of the grocery store and they didn't have like the main thing that I was looking for the dinner, so I'm gonna have to go to a different one, but I got majority of the stuff there, so I'm gonna go to the other grocery store by my house. What the hell is this playlist? Oh shit, I need to be in the other lane.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks for food. Speaking, how can I help you?
Can I get a grande iced mocha with no whip?
Grande iced mocha with no whip.
Yep.
Alright. And would you like anything else tonight?
That's it.
Alright, my dear, total is 472. Please pull forward. Thank you.
Thank you. I think I literally forgot what size I got. I don't think I can reach the window. How many drinks did this guy get?
472.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I almost said you too when she said enjoy. That would have been awesome. All right, it's time for a haul. First thing that I got here is a case of Blue Moon. And there's 12 bottles in here, 3 different flavors. I picked this up for Michael really because he has the next few days off of work. So I think he would really appreciate this when he gets home tonight. For the dinner tonight, I wanted to make spaghetti and meatballs because Michael has also been talking about that for a while. So I got a couple of things for that. So I thought to go with it, we could have some Caesar salad. So I just got one of the like kits that you just put together, so I got that. I got some regular spaghetti. I got some Parmesan sauce, so this is like the ragu kind. And then I got some garlic bread, nothing special, just throw it in the oven. And then at the first store, they didn't have like regular meatballs, so I had to go to the other one and get just regular old Italian style meatballs. So we are going to put those in there. And then also I just picked up a couple more things. I got some strawberries because I was craving some fruit. I also got 2 mangoes and I got 2 pears because it was around lunchtime. I just got a little spicy shrimp roll. That's all I got from the store. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, charge my camera, and then I'm gonna do a little haul of a few things that I got the other day. So I just finished cleaning like the kitchen and the living room, and now I have to clean my room. Yeah, I haven't even unpacked from school. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do this real quick and then we will get on to the haul. And let the montage begin. Alright, this is just a little after. I really just wanted to clear the floor, so I'm gonna work on this stuff later, but I really just wanted to clean out the floor and get all my dirty clothes, so that is perfect. Alright, so it is haul time. If you can tell, I switched to cameras because mine is charging, so Michael, I'm borrowing your camera. So I went to Old Navy, Ulta, and Target the other day, so I'm gonna start off with clothes. So the first place that we went to is Target. So I found these shorts on like a picture or like a mannequin, and I was like, oh, I need to have those. So I found them, and they are these gingham shorts, and they're kind of like a paper bag short, if you know what that is, but it like ties in the front and it's like cinches in the waist, I guess. So they look like this. I went to Old Navy and I got just this one shirt, and it will go really well with those shorts. And the girl in the picture at Target was wearing like a denim shirt, so I thought that was perfect. So I got this light wash denim shirt, and it has like these cuffed sleeves and a nice collar, really cute. So it's just like a light wash denim shirt, and this is gonna go with like a lot of things. All right, next I have the makeup. So I went to Ulta to get one thing, so I got that, and I've been like on a Tarte kick lately, so I got the brand new Tarte and Aspen Ovard palette. So I love the packaging, it's so cute, and it has Aspen's little picture on the back. So if you don't know, she's a YouTuber, you should check her out, she's awesome. And I wanted to get the palette, so this is what it looks like. It's like really reflective, it's like rose gold and pink, super cute. It comes with 9 eyeshadows and a blush and a highlight, so that is what it looks like. It has really cute like rose gold shades, so super cute. I'm gonna try this out in a second. And then next I got a big order from Tarte. Tarte was having this amazing sale online. It's like 7 full-sized items for like $63, and it was like a $200 value. It was super great. So I got that. So I got 7 full-size products, and I got this cute bag. So I got this bag. It's like bright pink with a cute tassel on the side. So the first thing was foundation. So I got the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. This is the hydrating one because I have really dry skin, and I got like a shade dark because I'm gonna be really tan in the summer. So this is in the shade medium sand, so we'll see if this matches. Don't really know. This is what the concealer looks like. I got the shade light, medium, neutral. Next I got one of these Amazonian Clay 12-hour blushes. This is in the color Blissful. So they had a bunch of different ones to choose from, but this is the one I got. So this is what it looks like. It's like really light pink, super cute. I've always wanted one of these blushes, so I'm really happy to have one of those. Next I got one of the Tartiste metallic eyeshadows, and I've never tried these before, but I was gonna get one anyway. So this is in the shade Shakedown. So they didn't have a lot to choose from, but this is the one I got. It's like a light gold, nude, brown, whatever. Just like a basic shade that I really like. Next was mascara. So this is the one I got. This is called the Lifted Mascara, and it's supposed to be like sweat proof. So for the summer coming up, it's gonna be super nice. This is actually in black brown, which I didn't know, but this is what it looks like. And we're gonna try that out in a sec. And then finally, the last product I got was a lip surgeon. So it's just like a crayon lipstick, if you will, and it's in the color Blushing Bride. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a rosy pink color, really basic, so I'm gonna use that. And then I got to choose like 2 different samples. So the first one is the Tarte Mermaid Skin Serum. So this is like the mermaid serum, and I'm gonna try this out too. And the last thing that I got was the Tartiste lip paint. So it comes with like 3 different things to try out. So exposed, bounce, and goals. So I've always wanted to try these, but I just haven't gotten around to them. So we're gonna try those maybe too. So now we're gonna get into like a first impressions, like full face Tarte. Alright, so my laundry's all done. I folded it and put it away. Now I'm going to hop into the shower. So I'm actually taking a shower in my mom's bathroom, my parents' bathroom, because the shower is just way better. So I got this the other day. This is the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute hair mask. And I got the one for more dry hair because I have pretty dry hair, but it's just like a little hair mask that I've been putting on. And I think it's been working pretty well. My hair is like really soft and this is like 2-day hair. I've been really loving this. So just wanted to point that out. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick and then I'm going to start like editing the video and just hanging out and chilling. So I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm going to hang out. I just opened a bottle of pink Moscato. This is the Veleda Pink Moscato, light and fizzy. I get this from a grocery store. It's called Lidl, I think. I don't know, it's really weird. This is like the best stuff ever. If you can ever find it, definitely try it out, but it's super light and I like it a lot. Yeah, I am just waiting until Michael gets home so I can get started on the dinner. And in the meantime, I'm going to edit the video. I'm waiting for the text where Michael says, on my way, or just got off. So yeah, I'm waiting for him and then we will start on dinner. I just got a pot of water boiling here. That is gonna be for the pasta. And I'm gonna use this guy for the meatballs. I'm gonna take the pasta sauce and I'm gonna put that in the pot here. So then I'm gonna take the meatballs and I'm going to put them in sauce. So there's like 24 little meatballs in here. And we're just gonna put them in there. We're gonna come back in like 25 minutes and check out the sauce and see if the meatballs are like heated up and stuff. So those are gonna get going and the pasta sauce is gonna get going. So it's almost 11 p.m. now and I'm just headed off to bed. I'm just gonna be watching, you know, TV and chilling. So that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye!